How to pray while traveling. Hanfi is a Hanafi. There are specific guidelines to follow for offering prayers while traveling. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pray while traveling according to the Hanafi school of thought. Intention. Niyyah. Make the intention in your heart that you are performing the specific prayer for Sunnah or Nafl as a traveler. Shortening the prayer Qasr as afternoon and Isha night prayers. Combining the prayer jam. You can combine the Dhuhr prayer with the Isha prayer, performing them at the time of either one of them. Similarly, you can combine the Maghrib sunset prayer with the Isha prayer, performing them at the time of either one. Prayer timing. Observe the prayer timings and perform your prayers within the designated time frames. Facing the Qibla. Determine the direction of the Kaaba in Mecca. Qibla and face that direction during your prayer. Recitation of Surah Al-Fatiha. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening chapter of the Quran, after saying Allahu Akbar, bowing ruku while standing. Bend from your waist and place your hands on your knees. Maintain this position momentarily and recite the appropriate supplication silently. Rising from bowing, stand up straight after bowing and say, Sami Allahu liman hamida. Allah hears those who praise him. Closing parenthesis. Prostration. Sujud. Go down into prostration, placing your forehead, nose, hands, knees, and toes on the ground. Recite the appropriate supplication silently. Rising from prostration. Sit up from the prostration position, reciting the appropriate supplication. Remember to stay focused and attentive during your prayers, seeking tranquility and sincerity in your worship. May your journey be safe and blessed.